It is currently time for the Innotech Crafting Offers on Rollercoin that also will help you achieve one of those spaceship miners that you need in the Interstellar Armada event. Stay tuned to find out more. Okay, so as I mentioned in a previous video, the Armada Interstellar event is now in full swing, and at the moment there is the Innotech Crafting Offer that will also help you to acquire one of those 9 spaceship miners that you need in order to get the big Citadel Miner. On my screen you can see the Crafting Offer event that has now just started at the time of recording this video. So you've got approximately almost 5 days there to be able to acquire and craft these miners. So what I wanted to discuss more than the Red Star X miner, okay, so this is the spaceship that you will need to craft and acquire in order for you to be able, obviously, to get one of those 9 miners. But I wanted to also point out that in crafting offers, it is actually showing you here that this can be sold. So if there are people out there that are crafting more than one of these, then potentially they'll be selling this for obviously quite a premium because of the event for you to be able to acquire that miner as well, because this is like a collectible event. So collectibles sometimes are rare when these offers have expired, but obviously you need to have the parts as well, and those parts come at quite a cost sometimes unless you already have them. Plus you need a 1.5 RLT fee in order to be able to actually start the crafting process for that as well. Now, besides the Red Star X, there is also the Code Wiz, which is even more powerful at 650 terahash per second, and it also can be sold, and it will require a couple of even more rarer parts there, as you can see, at 1.5 RLT as well. And you can also get the 200 terahash per second Elroom that can also be sold, and you just need basic common parts, which I can almost get if I keep on opening even more parts cases from the season store and acquire that for half an RLT just to craft that as well. Or you can just check out the marketplace and see how much that would cost in order to buy it if you can't afford the RST to get that. Now let's see, out of curiosity, if the Red Star X is already there. Obviously this crafting event just started, so I doubt it will be there because it will require 12 hours for you to craft it, but I'm sure that by tomorrow it will probably be in the marketplace. But out of curiosity, I'm just gonna put that in. No, okay, it's not there because obviously it takes 12 hours to craft, so that's gonna take quite some time. Okay, so back to the page here, and you can craft these away and achieve quite significant amounts of power if you actually have the parts to do so. I wouldn't just purchase the parts, especially the ones that are rare or epic, just to get these miners, because they do cost quite a bit and you need quite a lot of them in order to be able to progress with the crafting of that particular miner. But you can try and get the Red Star at least. That will help you with the Interstellar Armada event to allow you to get one of those spaceships and be able to get the biggest 9.75 petahash miner as well. So if you didn't know about this crafting offer, now you do. Let me know down in the comments below as well how you are doing with the event so far, since it started almost a week ago. So it did actually start a week ago, and how you are progressing with the event as well. So hopefully you are on track so that you can put on those booster rockets and fly away with Rollercoin and get loads of power to be able to generate more crypto in your crypto rooms. While on the subject of power, mine is currently at 83 petahash per second, and I've got a almost 90% bonus there applied to my entire power, mining power right there. So that is giving me pretty much, at the moment, I'm mining Sol on the game at 0.0001163 Sol at the time of recording this video at the current network diff power of the game, and how many people are on it at the moment with a block of 0.25 Sol. That's giving me that every 10 minutes 0.0001162 before, and the price of Sol did go up in the recent weeks as well. So that's pretty good. I'm just hanging on to my Solana, but again, this is no financial advice. It's just what I am doing with Rollercoin and which crypto I am actually acquiring through the game as well. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.